Hello, welcome back. I'm Rachel. You're watching Kalkine TV live from Sydney. This is the Buzzing Trends Show. Let's take a look at the index performance in the ASX listed stocks that are trending today. S&P ASX 200 started its day marginally lower with a drop of 27.10 points to 7,017.80. That was at 1 minute past 12 midday Australian Eastern Standard Time. On the back of more than expected US inflation data in the last 12 years. For April 2021. This higher inflation data also points out that further selling can be expected in growth stocks in the US, and a tighter monetary policy is on its way, which would force the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates earlier and more than expected. 7 of 11 sectors back home are lower today, along with the index. Healthcare is the best performing sector, gaining 1.11% and rebounding from its recent decline. Let's have a look at some major news from today. First big news is from Crown Resorts. They've announced they have banned cash payments as the option in its new Sydney casino. It's a move designed to stop criminals to park their drug money or other criminal money gains over gaming tables. The suspension of licence of Crown's Barangaroo Tower over money laundering back in December after the damning Bergen inquiry led to this decision. Crown has announced that it has agreed to several other terms and conditions to get the licence back for the Barangaroo Tower. This has been confirmed by the New South Wales Independent Liquor and Gaming Authority. Moving on now to the next news from a trending space, electric vehicles and cryptocurrencies. Tesla Inc. made another big announcement about Bitcoin today. The company, which is a leader in electric vehicles, announced that it has stopped accepting Bitcoin as a mode of payment for vehicle purchase. The company, which is a leading brand name in clean energy sector, supports low carbon emissions, and it has grave concerns over the increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions. Bitcoin mining energy consumption is 66 times more to what it was back in 2015, and its carbon emission shall soon be under scrutiny. Moving on to the next ASX listed stock now, GrainCorp has upgraded its guidance. The company's core business is to receive and store grain and other related commodities, along with providing logistics and market for these commodities. They've upgraded their guidance. The company has presented a better first half result. Its underlying EBITDA from continued operations was $140 million. That's up from $105 million a year ago. The company also declared an interim fully franked dividend of 8 cents a share, whereas it didn't pay an interim dividend last year. The results show a positive rebound in growing conditions on the east coast of Australia. The company is also happy to see an increase in export demand that will hopefully extend well into financial year 2022. On to more news now. Cloud-based computing software platform Xero announced that its profit, revenue and subscribers have all increased after being hit in their top-line progress by COVID-19. The subscriber base is recorded at 2.74 million, and that's because of a strong international push, whereas revenue has increased by 18% as compared to last year. The company believes that looking at further ahead, small businesses will be a major driver of economic recovery in a post-pandemic world. Okay, then that's all from me for now. Stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more live market updates, and we'll be back very shortly with more news on the markets, the economy, diverse themes and sectors. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.